So guys, iQOO is all set to launch the Neo 7 smartphone on October 20 in China. The brand has released a number of teasers to confirm its key features and specs. The latest teaser confirms its battery capacity and charging capabilities. In addition, the brand has also shared an image to reveal its front and rear design. As can be seen, the device features a flat edge display with slim bezels and a very thin bottom chin. It also has a small hole punch cutout in the top center of the display for the selfie camera. It has a 6.78-inch Samsung-made E5 Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz fast refresh rate. The display will be integrated with the Pro Plus display chip for an optimized visual experience. The back of the device has a triple camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766V main sensor. The rest of the two sensors might include an ultra-wide and a macro lens. On the front, it could feature a 16-megapixel selfie snapper. But the major highlighting feature of this device will be its processor. The iQOO Neo 7 is confirmed to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC, which is MediaTek's top-of-the-line flagship SoC. This SoC competes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So it's a massive upgrade over its predecessor that came with the Snapdragon 870 SoC. The device will also get a slight upgrade in its battery capacity, as it is confirmed to pack a 5000 mAh battery. To recall, the iQOO Neo 6 came with a 4700 mAh battery, but its charging capabilities will see a big leap, as the iQOO Neo 7 will support 120W fast charging. And to take full advantage of the Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC, the device will also have a liquid cooling system. It is likely to have 8 and 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, and storage would be 128 and 256GB. The device will come preloaded with Origin OS UI based on Android 13. So seems like the iQOO Neo 7 is focusing more on its performance and could be a flagship killer. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts on this, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.